Guys, welcome back with another video, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I appreciate you guys for hitting that subscribe button, man, hitting that notification bell. That way you guys can stay in the loop of every video I put out, man. I'm doing something different. I'm trying my best to do something different for y'all, man, each video. So the sidewalk is finally done. I just got to go and pick up a couple of things from Lowe's today to finish it off. And then after that, man, that project is done, man. So what we're about to do, we're about to hop in the truck right now, go to Lowe's, pick up some things. And then I got a new mod that already came in for my S10 last week. So I will be installing that mod. And so yeah, y'all just stick around. Just stick around, man. And yeah, let's get to it, man. I'll see y'all in a bit. Got my bags of mulch, so now I'm about to go grab something to eat, and then I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the house. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Yes, ma'am. Can I get your 12 piece?
You want a 12 piece?
Yes, ma'am. 12 piece spicy.
Family meal or chicken only?
Chicken only, spicy.
Okay.
And then let me get three biscuits.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
24.20.
All right, thank you. Eat. Hungry. Man, it's a long line too to get chicken today. Oh damn, I ain't got it in first gear. Hold on, y'all. All right. Made it back home, man. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this new mod that I got for the truck. So what we have is a new mirror, guys, that's gonna be coming on. It's actually a dash cam, so that way I can feel a whole lot better when I'm parking my truck when I'm at Walmart or Lowe's or anything like that. That way I feel a whole lot better, man, while this thing is recording up there. So basically it's a mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold it up here. It's a mirror, and it's touch screen. GPS, you got backup camera and everything all in one mirror, man. So it's kind of dope, to be honest with you. And there's a camera right there, so I'll be hooking all this up. I'm sorry, guys, I won't be filming all of this because it's gonna take a bit. I have to pretty much run my line. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna run my line to. So I'm gonna have my line tucked under here on my headliner, and I'm gonna have it come down all the way down the pillar like this, and then I'm gonna kind of like bring it all the way down this way, guys, and then bam, I have to make a hole right here and then fish it all the way from underneath the truck all the way back here to the back, man, where my other camera is at. So I do have a camera on here, but this one is linked to my Stereo. So I'm gonna disconnect that one and plug up my mirror dash cams, man, so that way we can get access to record and everything. But yeah guys, I'm gonna have to set everything up. I'll just show y'all the after install and everything, because yeah, it's gonna take a bit. So I'll get back with y'all when I'm done. Hey guys, so we finally got it. We got it. So I gotta hide the wires a little bit more right here. But other than that, man, we're looking pretty good. Now all I'm saying is warning: take your eyes off the road too long or often while using this camera could cause a crash. Man, that's pretty dope right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit next, guys. Okay, so the SD card has to be in order for everything to show on here. So please insert, it's still showing, please insert. Okay, I gotta figure out how to work this thing, guys, but I'll get back with y'all in a minute once I figure it out. Kind of figured it out. It still need an SD card, but I got the camera laying down on the ground right now. I'm gonna go ahead and insert that real quick, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. As you can see, I am officially done installing this camera, guys. Now, as you can see, man, the picture and quality on this camera, on this dash cam, it is, man, it's crazy. It's nice, man. It is a 1080p, so it's the top of the line visual that you can get out of it. Now, running the wires and everything, guys, it wasn't that bad. All you have to do is pretty much, I didn't connect everything right away. I ran all my wires up. I ran them underneath here. So I got all of my wires tucked underneath here, and I went all the way down there on my A pillar, went all the way down here on this side, come all the way down. Also, I had to run my wires, one of the wires that you plug into the cigarette lighter, I had to run it underneath here, zip tie it. Make sure you have zip ties when you're doing something like this, guys. And then for my backup camera, I went on ahead and ran the wire all the way underneath this pillar, underneath that pillar. And what I done here, guys, I took a drill bit and drilled a hole. I don't know if you guys can see. So I drilled a hole right there, guys. Okay, yeah. So I drilled a hole right there, big enough to where I can get that that piece to come through here, all the way around, all the way up there, guys, into the device itself. So the way I have my wires tucked underneath here, I got them ran through which my other backup camera that I had back here. So I'm pretty much running it the same way. So as you can see, guys, I have the wires here. They're not going anywhere, guys. They stuck right there. So I got them both right there. Like I said, they're not going anywhere. They're not gonna get caught in the wheel or anything. They're gonna stay right there and put. And I got them zip tied. Let me go ahead and show y'all. I got them zip tied underneath here. I don't know if you guys can see. So I got all the zip ties right there holding everything. So I got yeah, guys, so it's like tension on here, a whole lot of tension, guys. So it's not gonna go anywhere. My backup camera is located right there, guys. So, and all, it is not hard. It is not hard to so this is my backup camera right here. So all of that, guys, is not hard to install. It's very easy. I would recommend getting one of these, especially if you want to the grocery stores and you have a custom car or truck, guys. You can have the video running while you're inside of the store, and you won't feel you won't be worrying about your car or truck. So Everything is touchscreen, guys. So you got the front and rear camera. So as you guys can see right there, that is the front camera. It is showing my garage. You also got voice recording. You got man, all kind of stuff, guys. Widescreen. I love it, man. It's crazy. But yeah, so I will be riding with that. You can turn this off. It has a power button right here, so you can be able to turn it off whenever you want. So there's the power button. And look, also guys, you still have a ability to have a mirror right there. So when you have it completely off, you still have a mirror right there, which is good. So the price for this device, guys, is, I believe I paid around $75 for this device. And the device I have, guys, is gonna be 2 guard. That's all it has right there, 2 guard CE60. So, and it is a touchscreen screaming video rear view mirror, man. And that's what you getting right there. So tough, not tough, I was finna say tough guard, but yeah, it's 2 guard CE60, guys. And as you can see right here, I have it running through these little boys right here. So yeah, like I said, it wasn't a bad deal. This is the case that it comes in right there. So man, and that's what it looks like, guys. That's what it looks like. FHD rear mirror. So I went on eBay and got it, guys. Free shipping. Now you go on eBay nowadays, guys, they are taxing a whole lot now. So y'all just be mindful of that. They are taxing now. So but man, I really appreciate y'all for stopping by, tuning in this video. I can't get this sucker open, but I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said before, I appreciate all of you for the love and support. I appreciate all of y'all subscribing to my YouTube channel. I never thought I would make it to 200 subscribers, man, but I really appreciate y'all. And so that's gonna be the end of this video. I will be having car content coming y'all's way this weekend. I think we got a car meet going on. Sick Whips is gonna be doing that car meet, so shout out to Sick Whips. Y'all go subscribe to his YouTube channel and everything. He doing a lot of stuff on his channel as well. So y'all don't mind my hair, man. Y'all know how it is. It's crazy out here, man. I usually wear my hat, but shit, I didn't bring my hat out today. So but y'all know how this quarantine is, man. They ain't open up the shops yet. So I'm probably gonna go check tomorrow, man. They supposed to be opening up tomorrow. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow Friday they supposed to be opening it up. So we'll see, man. But if y'all enjoyed the video, man, make sure y'all do that for me, man. Share my video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified of every video I put out. And yeah, just like that, man. Like always, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.